Hey guys, so I wanted to unbox Huawei P Smart smartphone, which is a recent budget handset here from Huawei. Dual camera, 32 gigs storage, 3 gigs of RAM, and full view display here, 5.65 inches. Some pretty decent spec for €200. Can't go wrong really with the price point. So we're just going to unbox it, have a look at what you do get for a budget handset nowadays. I gotta say, budget handsets are really bringing some amazing spec to the table when you consider, the price of flagships nowadays. So this is the device here, as you can see, in a nice black colour. Very big screen, pretty much all the way to the edge except for the logo at the bottom. We'll just peel this back here. As you can see, looks a little bit like the P series, P10. Let's get that off. There we go. And very nice uniform design here. Old type of charging, a little bit annoying, but you do get a headphone jack, and it feels pretty solid. Not cheap feeling whatsoever. I don't know about the processor, probably Kirin 650 or something, because you usually do get more mid-range with this kind of phone. You get your warranty card, quick start guide, and everything you need to get going. Is this a charger? Yes, you can see. I don't think it's a fast charger, probably not supported on this level, but nevertheless, let's put that all to the side and have a look at the phone here. See the interface. And the display quality. Hopefully my S9 will be arriving later in the week. It does take quite a while for these phones to come out. But do you really need an S9, I mean, look at this. You're getting pretty much the same screen area here for a quarter of the price. I'm guessing you're getting EMUI as well, so that is quite, divisive, whether you like that or not. I'm just going to agree to all here. And let's just skip that for now and turn off Big Brother. No cloud for me. Fingerprint, as you can see. Skip that for now and you get started. So quite a nice wallpaper here to start off with, although I'm guessing you do get some other ones. As you can see, the screen looks very nice and bright here, should I say. And let's see the Android. So we are getting the Android of oh, it says all the specs here. That's very helpful. I think every manufacturer should do that. So you can see Android 8, EMUI 8, 3 gigs of RAM, HiSilicon 659, which I think is better than the 650 that you did get with the P9 Lite and such. So that is pretty nice. And it looks quite, snappy here, opening up stuff. And the camera, as I said, you do get a dual camera here. So that could be again something quite nice here. Let's just do a quick little shot of this. You see the focus pretty good here. I mean, you can't really go wrong with Huawei cameras. They tend to be very solid, even at the entry level. You got your wide aperture mode. You got your moving picture mode, and some other stuff here, which is very nice. And let's see as well the video. So what do we have for the video? Ooh, full HD, so quite a standard affair there. But it looks like a very nice handset here, as I said, the selection that you have at this particular price range is pretty amazing nowadays. Let's just go to the wallpapers. You can see there's some nice colourful ones here, which we will apply. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing. First look of the P Smart, a very weird name, quite a departure from the usual, but looks pretty nice nevertheless. Hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.